Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the 5th class of dancing rhythm. On the previous video, I already taught you the Dundun part. Now we're going to play it once. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The first beat will be tone bass, tone bass. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat will be slap bass, slap bass. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Of the 5th class of dancing rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.